Black technology electric device that I have never seen in my life. Number 1. Every time I go far, I am very tired with the luggage. So I go to this smart luggage that can follow and ride. Traveling out, it can automatically follow behind me. It can sense my speed and direction, and it is sensitive. When encountering obstacles, it can also automatically avoid them. Number 2. This is a mobile power generator. With it, you don't have to worry about power outage anymore. Long press to turn on the light. Click to light up your phone. If there's no power, you can charge your phone. Number 3. It is very powerful and made with high-tech technology. It can fly continuously for 45 minutes. Number 4. Friends, this is a very powerful spy camera. It can be set anywhere and controlled by mobile. Number 5. Friends, this is a mini portable digital printer. Any photo or document can be printed easily from mobile. Number 6. In the movie, when the characters speak in front of the camera, they don't need to be too dirty, and the star will come to the scan. The good star teacher will come. Number 7. Who is so smart to make an electric fan into a twin? It has 2 fan heads, has 4 wind forces. It can also be adjusted at will. It is very cool and even. Number 8. If there are too many rooms in your house, the network signal of other rooms is too poor, you can use a network signal amplifier. Number 9. You are such a smart guy, you can use the 2 left and right split designs at the same time. You can steam rice on the left and you can cook porridge on the right. Number 10. It's better to be smart now. With him, I am no longer afraid that the socket at home is not enough. He can convert the original socket into multiple sockets. And you don't even have to buy a cell phone charger. Number 11. When there's an emergency in the car and the door cannot be opened, you can usually hang it on the safety hammer on the keyhole. But this time you can save your life. Number 12. Just add some water to the bottom. You can start baking in a few seconds. There are also 5 temperature control adjustments. Usually grilled lamb kebabs and beef kebabs can be easily done. The kebab are also self-sufficient. He also brings a grill. Number 13. Turn off the light for your child. Turn on the light. Change the color. This is a Rubik's Cube that can understand what you are talking about. Night light, no internet connection. Number 14. This automatic egg cooker is so convenient. You don't have to remember the time to cook an egg. If you want to eat a heart-shaped egg, you just need to press it. It will be cooked automatically. Choose the golden egg. It's the golden egg yolk that's cooked and not rotten. Number 15. It's small and light. High accuracy super large LED backlight display. 4 white units can be changed at a wheel. Small to 50 grams, big 100 pounds can be weight. Number 16. Friends, this is an electric mosquito net. It emits a type of ultralight which attracts mosquitoes and runs towards the light, killing them with an electric shock on the net. Set it in the corner of room and see its charisma. Number 17. Guys, this is a mini air cooler. Just pour some ice inside it and watch its magic. Set it in the corner of your kitchen and start cooking in a cool environment. Number 18. Guys, this is a mini high pressure pump motor with which you can put water in a bucket and use it as a shower in the bathroom and spray water in the flower top or in the garden. Number 19. Guys, this is a bathroom shower with which you can easily clean your body by pouring water on it. With this, water comes out at a very fast speed. As a result of which your body gets rid of dirt and you become a superstar. Number 20. It's an electric lighter that looks pretty much like a scent bottle. When the top lid is opened, the flame will come out. If you are a styler, this is for you. Number 21. Friends, this is the egg box. You can keep 30 eggs at a time in it. You can also set it in the kitchen or fridge very easily. There is no fear of egg breaking if you put eggs in it. Number 22. Friends, this is a house sweeping brush and shovel. No dirt will stick to the broom after sweeping. With this, you can easily clean the dirt under the furniture like refrigerator, sofa, wardrobe, etc. in your house. No hassle of cleaning the brush by hand. Number 23. It is a kitchen gadget. It can be set in the kitchen to keep the lid of fry pan, the wood used for chopping vegetables, neatly organized. Number 24. Friends, no more hassle of folding clothes. Now there are clips with which you can lightly fry your favorite clothes and keep these clips in the wardrobe. With the help of this clip, you can hang your jeans pants, shirts, caps, girls' clothes, bendy bags, and more inside the wardrobe. The clip is very strong, so there is no fear of clothes wearing down. Number 25. It is now waterproof and easy to drop things. Pull it out quickly and replace it with this new type of bouncing drain. It can prevent insects and odor when it is hot. Number 26. The design of the face punching and folding on the wall can store the large and small wash basins commonly used at home on the wall. Put the wash basin at hand after use, saving space and not accumulating water. Number 27. They made this old steel wool into a small rag. It will not be as dirty and scale resistant as this, and it is not easy to breed bacteria, let alone worry about eating iron wire into the stomach. Number 28. This 3-sided toothbrush saves me time brushing my teeth. It has a 3-sided bristles and a gentle brush can cover the front, back, left, right and 360 degrees of the teeth without any dead angle cleaning. Number 29. There are always not enough sockets at home, so I bought a few of these Magic Cube sockets. These sockets are distributed on 4 sides and they can be used when plugged into the socket. 2500 watts can connect many electrical appliances.